होता है ना, उसका पीछे का side में you can practice. If you don't have a paper, just take any old paper. Even in the mail, when you get so many, don't take your bank statements, but you can take other things which you are. Yeah, I can see Alka has paper. Yeah, any of the paper, just sit with a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, we know how we use a notebook or a diary to draw lines. Take 2 or 3. Maybe did I put the material required here? No, take 2 or 3, the katoris or something in that shape. If you have something to make circles, that will help, because everybody will not have a compass readily at home. So if you can take what I am keeping is, these type different shape and size ka chota aisa katori hai, so we can make the circles using this. So whatever is available, we are going to see, we are going to learn. So yeah, Ishita, you want to just start with the introduction?
Yeah, sure. I'll just share the screen. Okay. Hello, everybody. I'll just introduce all to Get Set Up in a minute. Get Set Up is a...
Ishita, I think I muted everyone. Just unmute yourself.
Get Set Up is a platform for older adults by older adults. Our mission is to create economic opportunity for older adults and help them learn tools and skills needed to stay connected and live healthy lives. We have classes across technology, health and fitness, mental wellness, singing, dancing, social arts, and other guest speaker sessions as well. I have provided a link to our website in the chat. So if you want to register for other sessions, you can do that. If you know anyone in your friends or family who you think might be interested in this, please spread the word. Also, if you have any ideas for classes, let us know. We'll definitely take that on board. Or if you yourself want to take on a session, host a chat session or anything, there's a Google form also provided. So you can just fill that out and you'll receive a call sooner from the Get Set Up team. Yeah, so before we start, I don't know if there's a lag or something. Before we start, we're a training organization, so we don't receive any kickbacks from any product that we do talk about. The chat is available. These sessions are recorded. So if you do want a link of the session, if you're a participant, you can request that by mailing us at help@getsetup. And that's about it. Make sure you mute yourself, or if you want to talk about something, unmute yourself. Just make sure that you mute yourself back so then everybody can hear Vidna ma'am very clearly.
Thank you, Ishita. Thank you, everyone. And Asha, you raised your hand. Anything specific you want to talk about when she was presenting?
No.
Or was it a mistake? Not Asha Kapoor. Asha, there was another Asha.
The meeting, I think. No,
it must have been a mistake. So, yeah, Vimla.
Yeah, today is my first class. So, is it?
It's okay. Yes, don't worry. Okay. No worry. So, whatever, if you have a paper and a black pen.
Yes, I have.
Yeah, great.
Yes,
no worries. This is just, it's like a therapy we are going to do. And yeah, this will, you will practice it yourself and you'll make your own mandala today. So don't worry about the perfection.
Okay.
So,
thank you.
Don't worry about the perfection. Just go with the flow. What I would like to just tell you all about mandala is that, this is like, we will understand something about, I'm not going too much into the history and symbolism and all, but yes, I will talk about the symbolism. But mandala as such, it is a Sanskrit word and it's a circle, circle mein hota hai. And it's got a very spiritual meaning attached to it. And you would see in the good old days temples में या पत्थर के ऊपर मंदिर के बाहर, even in some महल and all that, when you go on your tours and trips, you will see in some historical building छत के ऊपर सीलिंग पे वो ऐसे डिजाइन बनाते हैं गोलाकार में, and various symbols they use. So we are going to do this mandala because it is also, nowadays there's a lot of awareness, and actually because it's a therapy, people with anxiety, depression, stress, they are encouraged to work on mandalas, because when you are doing that, the energy that flows, it helps your mental health also, and it also helps you to calm down and de-stress. Now there are a lot of symbols that we use. Circles hota hai, triangles hota hai, so different geometrical symbols jaise hote hain. So we are going to understand, and some of them use the colors also. Today we'll just do with the black and white. Once you become familiar with all this thing, you can start using your colors also. Let me just share with you something about the before we get into making our own mandalas. Let me just share with you about the different shapes and size. So when you make a dot, इसका dot का symbol का मतलब क्या है कि everything, it is universe, everything is one. You make a circle, it denotes wholeness, unity, integrity, सब कुछ एक इसमें समाविष्ट है. Horizontal line, vertical line. Horizontal line divides the up and down, that means the earth and the sky. Vertical line ka denotion energy hai, you know, it divides the right and the left. It's the energy connection between the world. Cross jab hum karte hain, so the two lines meet in the center, so it is like the recognition. Jab dono line beech mein judti hai, so it's like a recognition. Then there are triangles with vertex pointed upwards and vertex pointed downwards also. तो अलग अलग triangles also उसमें use करते हैं. Hexagon जो होता है, created from above mentioned triangles, अलग अलग triangles को जोड़ के बनाते हैं. तो again spiritual and material aspiration. Squares बनाते हैं. Square is nothing but our existence in the material world. Circles, I told you, wholeness बताते हैं. Circles and square inside circle, implementation of the spirit in the material. Octagon, pentagon, heptagon, geometrical shapes में बनाते हैं. And when we actually start making the mandalas, circle को हम लोग 12 parts में divide करते हैं. We are going to see how, because all of you are going to make your mandalas today, okay? फिर उसमें swastik भी बनाते हैं, because swastik they say is actually when circle is divided into 12 parts, they call it the cycle of nature. तो wholeness nature का जो cycle है उसमें आता है. स्वस्तिक में sun, energy, the movement of the universe, सबको मालूम है, हम लोग अपने घरों में भी बनाते हैं. So स्वस्तिक का चार बना के जो उसको ऐसे करते हैं, अलग अलग साइड में जब देते हैं, तो it is like a movement of the universe. And then spiral यानी ऐसे बेल जैसे बनाते हैं, गोल गोल, upward facing या downward facing. So it is again the movement of the nature. So every shape that you are going to use, हर शेप में कोई मतलब जुड़ा हुआ है निसर्ग के साथ. उसी तरह से हमारे जो अगेन यू नो षट चक्र, हमारे शरीर में जो चक्र है वो भी चक्र ही है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ मंडला, और उसमें भी स्पोक्स लगे रहते हैं और वो घूमता रहता है. एंड हमारे चक्र भी कलर्स डिनोट करते हैं. सो देयर इज अ सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ कलर्स, और वो जो कलर्स हम लोग यूज करते हैं वो भी हमारे जो षट चक्र या 7 चक्रों से जुड़े हुए हैं, उस कलर के साथ जो सिग्निफिकेंस है, जो मतलब है, वो ही डिनोट करता है. आज हम लोग कलर्स के साथ नहीं करेंगे, बट वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट डूइंग आवर मंडलास. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, आई विल जस्ट शेयर वन स्लाइड. आप में से कुछ लोगों ने बनाए भी होंगे मंडला या देखे भी होंगे. सो जस्ट अ क्विक लुक एट these are the various types of mandalas. ये जो लेफ्ट में है ऐसे सर्कल के अंदर सर्कल है, लेकिन अंदर आपने देखा, इफ यू लुक एट द क्लोजअप, उसमें अलग अलग शेप्स एंड साइज दिख रहे हैं और ऑल्सो कलर्स डाले हुए हैं. इशिता, कैन यू जस्ट म्यूट एवरीवन प्लीज? आई कैन हियर सम साउंड.
Yeah, sure.
या एंड ये राइट साइड में ऊपर जो देखा है वो डॉट मंडला है. यहाँ मेरे पास है, इफ यू कैन सी दिस इज, आई विल जस्ट अनशेयर दैट एंड शो डॉट मंडला. नीचे कैसे देखा उन्होंने, यू डिप इट in the liquid, you dip it in the liquid paint, acrylic paint, and then you use the tip of the pen. अभी जैसे ये है ना, this is, you actually get the mandala के पेन मिलते हैं, but यहाँ पे मैंने, you know, this is that rubber वाला पेंसिल मिलता था. So you just dip it in the paint and then you press it and pull it. Just वहीं पे टच करके उठाना है. और different shapes and size के, तो उधर बड़ा वाला यूज किया है. Then wherever there is a smaller one, we must have used this. So sometimes we also use the tip of the brush. छोटे छोटे होते हैं तो इस ब्रश के टिप से लेके हम लोग, इसमें तो सिर्फ ब्लैक कैनवस के ऊपर मैंने ये बनाया है. एंड दिस इज व्हेन यू मेक इट लाइक, दिस इज एक्चुअली ऑन अ mounted canvas. You can make it on a paper. You can even make it like, this was something I was trying to make like a harmony. तो हमारा इन एंड यांग का होता है ना, तो I was going to make, इस पे बनाने वाली हूँ मैं, पढ़ा है, बनाया नहीं है. But today what we are going to use is any paper that you have, any white rough paper, because we are practicing. You all must be having something like that. वेडिंग कार्ड्स आते रहते हैं, तो उसका ये जो लाइट कलर का पीछे, इसके ऊपर भी आप बना सकते हैं. इफ यू आर डूइंग डॉट मंडला, दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल, यू नो, बिकॉज डार्क कलर का होगा तो उसके ऊपर आप डॉट मंडला बना सकते हैं. यू कैन, व्हेन इट टर्न्स आउट, इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल, यू कैन जस्ट कीप इट असाइड. ये पुट्ठा है, हम लोग जब भी कुछ केक मंगाते हैं, कुछ मंगाते हैं ऐसे, या किसी बॉक्स में पड़ा रहता है, तो दिस इज अ लिटिल हार्ड. तो इसके ऊपर भी आप व्हाइट पेपर चिपका के उसके ऊपर मंडला बना सकते हैं. बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू मेक योर मंडला, यू विल लव इट एंड यू विल वांट टू कीप इट in your, you know, to display it, you know. Now what are we going to do quickly in the next 2 minutes? I'm going to run through the slide to show you how it is used. This is the material. I said whatever you have right now, a black pen and a plain paper is good enough. If you, and keep something to make these kind of circles, because हम लोगों के पास ये कंपास होता था स्कूल के दिनों में, you know, we had that rounder. तो वो अगर नहीं है तो don't worry, we just use this plates and bowls and all that to make at least 5 or 7 circles, because these are going to be just a indication. इसको grid बोलते हैं, क्योंकि ये आपको एक डायरेक्शन देता है क्या करना है इसके लिए. तो जब हम सर्कल बनाते हैं, now see, this is the grid and tools you are using. Don't look at the colorful tools, because we are not going to buy anything. These you get in the shop, but हम लोग जो हमारे पास available है उससे करने वाले हैं. On the left hand side, if you see, it's a paper where there is a, you know, we did the horizontal line and a vertical line, और उसके बाद में और 12 lines, 12 parts, 24 parts, 48 parts करते गए. So that is the way. And then उसके अंदर circle के अंदर circle, at least 7 circle आप बनाते हैं, तो you get. Now did you realize कि वो center में से कैसे, you know, that gives you a judgment कहाँ पे हम लोग अपना petal बना रहे हैं, how we are mixing one triangle into the other, one circle into the other. So that is just, बाद में आपका बन जाएगा तो वो pencil line मिटा देते हैं रबर से. So when you make the grid, in the first session of mandala, I showed them to make just round ke andar round. So when you see this like a flower, so one round inside the round, when you just use one size of you know, circle, and just make, you can make this kind of mandala and color it, and you can further develop it. The other one I showed you in this earlier one, ये जो बनाया है इसके लिए आपको ऐसा ग्रिड बनाना पड़ेगा. So we are going to make a straight line, horizontal and vertical, and then make portions. इधर 1 2 3 4 5 या 7 circles हैं. 7 circles में क्या होता है, it gives us enough indication to use our thing. Now ये circle जब बनाते हो आप लोग, don't use the pen, use the pencil, because that you have to erase it afterward. Now these are some, when you start learning better, we can make more and more different design. Today we are going to make butterfly, because some of you have done the first session, second session. but someone said you are come here for the first time, so don't worry, we will do a simple one. But if you still want to do the butterfly, you can try, because it's just, don't have to do, it's just the kind of thoughts and the figures and the shapes that is flowing from your mind. जो भी आपके मन में आ रहा है उसको हम करते जाएंगे. कैसे शुरू करेंगे? ना सेंटर में एक छोटा सर्कल, उसके आउटर में सर्कल बना देंगे. उसके बाद ये देखो छोटे छोटे गोलाकार में पत्ती बना दिया, उसके अंदर एक सर्कल बना दिया. अब उसको उसके बाहर. सो ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द सेंटर एंड गो ऑन एक्सपैंडिंग. नाउ व्हेन यू आर एक्सपैंडिंग, दैट इज द टाइम दिस, ये जो आपने देखे ना, इसका फायदा होता है. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग आउटर एंड आउटर, तो आपको उसका आधार मिलता है कि ओके नाउ आई कैन टच दिस लाइन, तो मेरा शेप आ जाता है. बट डोंट वरी अबाउट द एक्यूरेसी इन टुडेज क्लास, बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज नॉट रेडी विद द मटेरियल. You can also start from the corner. अभी जैसे ये है, ये on the outside वो triangle दिखा है. Start with the corner, then छोटा छोटा पत्ती बनाया, उसको बड़ा बनाया, उसके ऊपर बनाया. So use your shape and size whatever you want. Sounds simple? अच्छा लग रहा है? करने की तैयारी है आपकी? ये अलग अलग साइज एंड शेप्स दिए. जब आप और अच्छा करने लगेंगे, आप अपने आप ही you will want to do more and more. So these are some of the mandalas we have made, and this is also, now this is actually, हम लोग गोदड़ी बोलते हैं ना. Are we recording this session, Ishita?
Yes, we are.
Yeah. So this is the quilt actually, but you must have seen यहाँ भी shapes and size बनाया हुआ है, and this is looking so beautiful, and this is also again a part of different way of mandala. Okay. Now the benefits, when you are doing this, you are actually concentrating, you are using your fingers. So with age हमारा क्या हो जाता है कि हमारे मोटर स्किल्स जो होते हैं, हमारे मूवमेंट्स, किसी को आर्थराइटिस होता है, किसी को जोड़ों की तकलीफ के कारण उनके मूवमेंट्स वगैरह लूज हो जाते हैं, नहीं ग्रिप मिलता है. तो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दिस मंडला, इट आल्सो हेल्प्स इनटू द मूवमेंट्स. ग्रिप आती है, कंसंट्रेशन होता है, मेमोरी बढ़ती है. बिकॉज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, जो एक साइड में बनाया उसका रेप्लिकेट करने वाले हैं. तो जब हम जैसे जैसे बाहर जाते हैं, when it is a smaller inner circle, it's going to be easy. But as we are going outside, what you should be doing is, इधर का मैंने बनाया, उसका exactly opposite बनाएंगे. फिर we'll go to the other side, and so it will become symmetrical. And you can take a break also, because sometimes you might feel that okay, अभी 15 मिनट के बाद मुझे उठना है, so you may not be able to complete the whole circle. So nice to go in symmetrical manner. But mind you, when you start doing it, you will not want to stop. Are you all ready to do? Everyone all set to do? Great. So are you ready with your paper and pencil? So now what we are going to do, the first thing, I don't know whether you'll be able to see me. So I'm going to stand and show you something. You can do with your papers. Can you see my board? Is my board visible?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll just raise it.
No. Not visible.
1 minute. I'm just raising the screen so that you will be able to. Just give me a minute. Okay. Okay. I think you can see this now.
Yes.
Yeah. But
Yes.
Okay. Now what I'm doing is, this is going to be, now this is the paper. What you people are going to do is, you have a ruler, take a pencil, and we are going to make, now this, I have a paper here, okay? So I'm going to just make light karna bahut, don't make a dark line because you're going to erase that. So I'm making dark here because I want you to see. All right? Okay, so you get a center point. Can you see that? You get a center point here. Now what I'm going to do, because I have a compass, I'm going to use this compass and make a circle. So center point rakh ke, can you see that? Can you see the circle?
There's lot of glare. We are not
No,
able to
there
see.
is. It's too far.
Okay, 1 minute. Just give me a minute. Is the glare still there?
Ma'am, can you zoom?
Nahin, na? Then it's still bad.
Yeah.
Try getting it closer maybe to the camera.
Okay, I'll tell you what.
ये ग्लेयर का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये दूर है ना इसलिए नहीं दिख रहा।
Yeah, see, this works.
Okay, so you saw I made this. So I used the compass. Now you people can use your what do you call plate ya katori or whatever you have brought. So you can just make inner shapes and size about 7 of them. Light pencil se karo. Yahan I am doing it dark because I want to show it to all of you. So make a little inner one, little outer. So those who are using the katori or something, you can just hold this like this. And then I was putting the board here because I wanted to draw it and show. So abhi aapne aise kiya hai, so you can just hold it and maybe, make like that. You're getting me? Can you see this? So you can just hold a bigger bowl, supposing aapke paas aisa kuch hai. Okay, so you make an outer side. I'm just showing this because those of you who are not having the compass, they can use different size of the plates or something which is round and you can get. So when you have a still smaller circle inside, this will help you. And then I only made these 2 lines, but I want you people to make at least 12 lines. Okay, this way, cross it and then take inside again. So you will have 12 such lines. So let me show you something where I had already see something like this. Can you see this now? See, if I bring it closer, can you see?
Yes.
I think it's pretty clear now, right?
Yes, it's pretty clear.
Yeah. So try and make only 12 lines now because we are not going to do very fine just now. This is a practice you're doing. And then we will start from the center. Like I started with, that is when you're going to start with the gel pen. Now,
Can
some
you
of you who
explain
have
how much
already
gap
done
we
this
need for
part,
each circle?
sorry,
How
I
much
didn't
gap
hear
we
you.
need to keep for each circle? How much gap? How much gap for each
It's up to
circle?
you. It's up to you. If you're making 7 circles, one inside the other, just keep a little average gap because that is actually for you to get an indication. See, now if you're seeing this one, I did in one of my classes. So we started from the center, to ek circle, uske bahar dusra circle, uske bahar tisra circle, then chautha circle. And so after you finish, then you rub away the pencil one. That circle you're doing only to get a judgment how long. See, my leaf has to go from here to here. So when I have a circle, I know that it should not go out of that inside. So that's just it's a grid, it's a guide for you.
So what do we, because today I'm attending the first time, what are the ingredients we have to pen and what we have to use for this? Only pencil?
Actually, you just pick up a pen if you have just now and a paper and just start doing
Okay.
it. Okay, just start doing it in the class, because you'll see a lot of them are already doing, and you will also start doing, and you'll be surprised when you actually see what you have done by the end of it. Okay, so just get started. Now you can't finish this whole thing in one class. See, Vimla is already, yeah. So now you start from the center. Now what I did was, there was one paper which I was showing you people just now. And yeah, so here if you see, I started, it's a black gel pen I took, just one of these pens, okay? And I started in the center. Now, what did I do in the center? I just made those little flowers, okay? And then I did the outer flower after that. So you go with your own instinct, you start. Now, I just wanted to show you how you can expand. So अभी मैंने क्या किया पहले, opposites पहले किया, उसके बाद ये किया, अभी this and this I did this one because I wanted to show you. Now when I am going, I will do the opposite side so that this and this comes alike. Then I will go to the other side so that at one time I know I am balancing it. अभी ये बनाया, इसका exactly opposite बनाऊंगी, फिर यहाँ वाला बनाऊंगी, फिर यहाँ वाला बनाऊंगी, and then I'll keep going on the outer side. So this also when I made, I started in the class, but slowly I started in this with all of you in the center. धीरे धीरे बाहर का बनाया. So today you will also start. You may not be completing it. You will go outer, and you will use various shapes and sizes. Some of you who have already done that, if they want to make butterfly, today I was going to show you, for those who have come for the second and third time and they want to make an owl or butterfly, I would like you to show, or maybe peacock. So what you can do is, ये circle है, circle के अंदर, you just draw the circle or give the shape of the head of the peacock, turn this inside, and उस circle के around the circle start making this, and inside that you can make the feathers of the peacock. Okay, it is up to you how you want to fill it up. Okay, this I think it was in the pen only, so I can just start filling up with my own imagination. And then when you make this edging also, start coloring. Now keep doing as I'm talking. I know you all are doing yourself. For those of you who want to make a butterfly, you can start like this. Okay, I just started a little before the class and I said I'll show it to you, and now exactly like this opposite में मैं इसको भरने वाली हूँ. Now how, if someone who you want to make a butterfly, let me show you कैसे किया मैंने. Okay, this is the paper. Anyone wants to make a butterfly and want me to show? Anybody wants me
Yes,
to show, or you're okay
yes.
doing what you're doing?
Yes. No, I would like to start it, but.
Okay, so I'm using a dark pencil so that you can see. Okay, now since the board is far away and you're not able to see, I'm going to do it this way. Okay, now take the center of the thing. First, you're going to draw a circle. I'm using a charcoal pen so that you can see it. Okay, ये circle बनाया. उसके बाद take this and do this. This is the step number 2. Then you take it from here. ये बनाया, इसका exactly opposite. ये बनाया. Okay. After you have done this, then now you're making the butterfly ka. Maybe you start from here and ऐसे किया. Similarly, we are going to make a symmetrical thing here. So, थोड़ा आगे पीछे आएगा, don't worry. Okay. Now, this is the outline बन गया आपका. Now you can start, you can do this. ऐसे करके आप बना सकते हो. Start coloring. इसको भर दो. Now जो बीच में गैप है, you can put dots in the center. जहां gaps है उस पे dot डाल सकते हो. Now when you start doing the, again I'm just showing you, you can make your own. Now इसको double line कर दो, and now inside that line use your pen and make circles like this. Okay, full वहां पे circle से भर दो. I'm just giving you ideas. I want you to use your own imagination. Start one side and then exactly उसको यहाँ पे replicate करना है. ना ऐसे मैंने किया अभी. So here what I can do is, don't watch me, keep doing. I want you people to do yourself. Okay, so I'm giving you just the idea so you can do it yourself now. Those who are doing the circles, keep doing. You're going to enjoy what you're doing. As I'm showing you, I'm loving what I'm doing. Because बहुत मजा आता है करते हुए, अच्छा लगता है. So this is for someone who wants to do butterfly. Don't have to copy me. I just gave you the outline. अंदर आपको जो मर्जी है भरो. All the shapes and size you can fill up. Okay. Finish one side of it today. Some of you will want to finish it before we end the session. Some of you can finish it after the class also.
Ma'am, can you see this?
Can you?
See
Let me just see who's showing me.
Bimla.
I can't see. Bring it closer to the. Okay, lovely, lovely. You know, you've gone on a side. Screen के सामने लेके थोड़ा कैमरा के सामने. नहीं, प्लेन दिख रहा है आपका. पिक्चर दूसरी तरफ चला गया. हाँ, come closer. Very good. Now, yeah, now try and do close. जहां बहुत खुला खुला किया है ना आपने, थोड़ा उसको बंद करो. अभी नीचे वाला करो. Now, what did you do? You went on the top right wing. Show it to me. और इधर लेके आओ screen के पास. हाँ, very good, very good. Now, exactly opposite side में वैसे ही बनाओ.
Okay.
और उसको और भी आप फिलिंग कर सकते हो. अभी तो वैसे ही कॉपी कर लो. बाद में आपको और अच्छा लगेगा तो you might want to do a lot of filling there. Are you all enjoying it? Are you all enjoying it?
Yes.
Everybody शांत होके बना रहे हैं. Good, nice.
Yes, enjoying it.
Good, very happy. Ishita? When you do mandalas, you get so engrossed. आपको पता भी नहीं चलता है. Your full concentration is there.
Ma'am, see.
Yeah, keep making. Yeah, very nice. Same copy किया ना वैसे ही.
Yes.
हाँ, so when you have a gap in between, try to color that, try to fill that gap. So वो black जैसे ये बीच वाला किया ना, मैंने भर दिया ना उसको, so it stands out. When you're
Okay.
making two lines, just fill that line. So it stands
Okay.
out. यहाँ देखो कैसे भरा भरा लगेगा ना, फिर it comes up. If you're using a black pen, it will look very nice.
Okay.
Lovely, you all are doing very nice. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Ishita, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. My computer just got frozen for a second.
Okay. Can you mute everyone? There was some sound.
Mhm.
कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना, इतना शांति से सब लोग कर रहे हैं, because you all are enjoying what you're doing just now. We still have 10 minutes to finish. You can take it. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. अपना जैसे आपको अच्छा लग रहा है बनाइए. पुष्पा जी, आप नहीं बना रहे हैं? I can see Mrs. Joshi छान कर मजा वाटते है ना तुम्हाला बनवताना?
Please keep it up a little.
Oh, you were watching this, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Coming for the first time.
कैसे आपके? हाँ?
I'm coming for the first time.
कभी किया नहीं है मैंने
No
ड्राइंग।
problem. कोई बात नहीं. इसके लिए आपको कितना अच्छा लगेगा देखो, आप जब बना रहे हो ना, आपको आपको खुद को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आप बना रहे, वेरी गुड, कीप मेकिंग। और उसको एक्चुअली साइड में ना डबल लाइन करो और उसको भर दो तो वो गेटअप आएगा आपको। वेरी नाइस आशा, वेरी नाइस मिसेस जोशी, लवली, बहुत सुंदर, खूब छान था, खूब छान दिसतंय। एंड देखो जितना आप उसको डबल और वो दोगे ना तो उसका गेटअप आएगा। थोड़ा सा लाइन आप डबल लाइन पास में बनाएंगे एंड उसको भरोगे फिर उसका गेटअप आएगा। हूँ तो उसके आसपास में अगर मैं आई मेक अ फाइन लाइन और फिर उसके अंदर मैं राउंड करती हूँ या उसको मैं अंदर सर्कल बनाने के बाद या सिर्फ भर देती हूँ या ऐसे ये बना दीजिए, लाइन बना दीजिए। अभी देखो मैंने जिगजैग लाइन बना दिया उसके आसपास, तो भरा भरा लगेगा। जैसे ही आप उसका एजिंग भर देते हैं ना तो उसमें गेटअप आता है, देन यू स्टार्ट फिलिंग अप इनसाइड। और वो फिलअप करने के लिए आपके मन में जैसा, कोई सही गलत मत करो, आप जो आपके मन में आ रहा है उसको बनाओ। Any shape, any size is welcome.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
Can I
bolo.
show you mine?
Yeah, Preeti.
Can you see mine?
Show me. Yes, of course.
Yeah,
थोड़ा डार्क बनाइए आप मोर बना रहे हैं ना, ब्यूटीफुल।
जी जी
अब
जी।
उसकी आउटलाइन को डार्क बना दीजिए और उसके
हाँ,
अंदर भरना शुरू कीजिए।
पर ये
अब
ठीक
उसकी
नहीं है।
आउटलाइन को डार्क बनाइए
जी
और
जी
उसको
जी
भरना शुरू कीजिए।
जी।
ओके,
कलर से करो।
कलर अगर आपके पास कलर पेंसिल है तो ठीक है। अब देखो ये मैंने सर्कल में कैसे किया है, इसको आपको दिखाई दे रहा
हाँ जी।
है ना। इसको मैंने क्या किया, सर्कल में उसके अंदर मैंने उसका मुंह बना दिया एंड देन के अंदर फिर एक एक उसके पंखुड़ी में एक एक को करते जाइए। डू वन एट अ टाइम एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू फिनिश इट।
फिर अभी मैंने जो 7 सर्कल्स किए थे उसको मैं इरेज कर दूं?
बन गया आपका पूरा? आपने
नहीं।
7 सर्कल में कौन बोला अभी, ये प्रीति?
जी जी।
तो 7 सर्कल में आपको मोर बनाने की जरूरत नहीं थी, ये तो सिंगल सर्कल में मोर बनाया था मैंने। 7 सर्कल में आप ऐसा कुछ बनाएंगी या जो मैंने अभी नोटबुक में दिखाया था ना, 7
अच्छा।
सर्कल में आपको ये इजी रहेगा।
ओके
ये
ओके
देखिए, ये अगर ये 7 सर्कल में आपको ये चीज,
ओके
बिकॉज
ओके
इससे आपको गाइड मिलता है कि कितना लंबा बना सकते हैं।
समझ गई। ओके ओके।
कोई बात नहीं, अभी जैसे बनाया आपने डोंट वरी, बट हाँ पेंसिल से जो बनाया उसको मिटाना पड़ेगा बाद में।
हाँ जी।
अभी मोर जो आपने बनाया उसका आउटलाइन बना दीजिए और फिर अंदर भरिए उसको, तो उसका गेटअप आने लगेगा। और ब्लैक जेल पेन से करते हैं ना तो उसका गेटअप ज्यादा अच्छा आता है, क्योंकि जेल पेन में सो यू डोंट रियली हैव टू गो एंड बाय द मंडला पेन, अदरवाइज मंडला पेन करके आते हैं, यू गेट समथिंग कॉल्ड मंडला पेन। और जिनके पास कोई पूछ रहा था ना कलर करूं क्या, तो जिनके पास कलर है वो कलर भी कर सकते हैं। अभी ना आई हैव समथिंग, इसको ब्रश पेन बोलते हैं। तो ये ब्रश पेन है, इसका टिप होता है वो पेन की जैसे होता है, पतला टिप होता है, तो इससे भी यूज कर सकते हैं। See, I just used the, उसको मैंने जो मोर बना रहे थे ना, वो देखिए कौन बना रहा था, प्रीति बना रही थी मोर। तो अभी उसको मैंने उसके आउटलाइन को मैंने डार्क कर दिया, तो देखा आपको गेटअप कैसे दिखा अभी। और उसके बाद अंदर आप बना सकते हैं। और पेपर आपको घुमाना पड़ेगा तो घुमाइए। वेरी नाइस मिसेस जोशी, छान मस्त झालंय। उसको आपको और थोड़ा बड़ा करना है तो उसका जो बाहर वाला आउटलाइन है ना, क्योंकि आपका बटरफ्लाई अगर छोटा बना और आपको थोड़ा और करने का इच्छा हो रहा है तो उसको बाहर से आप उसको सर्कल सर्कल बना दीजिए। ओके, और उसके ऊपर एक और लाइन बना दीजिए तो और सुंदर आ जाएगा। उसको थोड़ा और शेप दे दीजिए। Roma is enjoying. Lovely. Beautiful. Nice. You can fill it up further. You can fill it up. और थोड़ा सा
It's
you
very
can fill that up.
relaxing.
Sorry?
Yeah. I said it's very relaxing.
It is very relaxing. Now see, आप लोगों को पता भी नहीं चल रहा है कि टाइम कैसे खत्म हो गया है ना। Very nice.
Enlarge it on one side.
Beautiful.
Where is it?
How did you feel making that?
Very nice. Very good.
Beena, are you making? I can see Bhajan also making. Beautiful. That's also a beautiful butterfly. Very nice. Fill that up. वो राइट साइड में जो खाली बचा है ना, उसको भर
drawing is
लीजिए।
very bad, Binda.
Doesn't matter. इसमें ड्राइंग का सवाल ही नहीं है। Niharika, very nice. You have made it in the center, huh? Okay. Yeah, that's nice. So some people, I think there was a confusion. Circle बनाया था वो geometrical design बनाने के लिए, and more को भी थोड़ा सा shape देने के लिए, but जो लोग, इसके लिए मैंने बोला था जो first time आए हैं, they should start with the circle and the smaller one, and जो लोग free hand बना रहे हैं वो लोग butterfly बना सकते हैं, but it's okay. आप लोग butterfly बना रहे हैं तो भी कोई बात नहीं। तो आउटलाइन बनाने के बाद उसको अंदर से ऐसे भरते जाइए। सो फ्री हैंड में भी अच्छा लगेगा। बटरफ्लाई को एक साइड वाला बटरफ्लाई भी बना सकते हैं, उड़ती हुई बटरफ्लाई। ये सामने वाली है आधा वाला भी बना सकते हैं. So imaginations. What is Monica showing? Let's see, Monica. Beautiful. Yes, yes. So you started with the center, and yeah, very nice. So keep filling up. वो gap मत रखो. Make it like full. It will take time. ये कैसे? ये भी मैंने क्लास के बाद में बनाया. Okay, so keep filling up. अंदर से बाहर तक. Okay. You started from the center and you went out ना, तो बीच में जो जगह है, अभी जैसे मैंने ये बनाया, इधर जगह है ना, तो I can decide to do maybe ये पत्ती है ना, इसको मैं डबल लाइन कर सकती हूँ. See, I'm making a double line. Can you see? ये डबल
Yes,
लाइन
ma'am.
कर रही हूँ.
Okay,
So
okay.
और फिलिंग दिखेगा. और उस डबल लाइन को हम भर भी सकते हैं, तो और उसका गेटअप आएगा. ये देखिए मैंने अभी उस डबल लाइन को भर दिया. So it has become a little more thicker and it is standing out. और कभी कभी क्या होता है, अभी मेरा भी जो मैंने बनाया है, it is not symmetrical. थोड़ा आगे पीछे, थोड़ा बड़ा छोटा पत्ता आ जाता है, कोई बात नहीं. Practice के साथ, because now we are doing it in a hurry in the class, but when you are doing it on your own, you will pay attention to the small things and then you will make it look beautiful. Now see, some of you, if you can notice what I'm doing. See what I'm doing now, I had made little circles, okay? लेकिन वो empty circle थे. अभी जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, मैं circle भरने लगी हूँ. But what I did, I'm doing alternate circles filling. क्योंकि एक बार मेरा alternate हो जाएगा, उसके बाद I might decide. See, you see these circles, the little tiny circles I had here, if you can see. है ना? तो मैंने इनको भरा है एक एक छोड़ के. अगर मुझे टाइम मिलेगा, मुझे मजा आएगा करने के लिए. It all depends upon how you feel like doing when you are doing. तो अब मेरा एक एक भर के हो गया. So maybe I will decide, yes, I didn't take much time, so I'm going to fill the second one also. So same thing, those of you who have made your mandalas, उसको filling करते जाओ अंदर से बाहर की तरफ.
Binda, I couldn't
मजा
see
आ रहा है?
anything. Binda, could
You
you
couldn't?
Yeah. Looking nice, very nice.
So just now I'm filling it up. As you people are doing your job, I'm trying to make it a little full. Otherwise it was scanty. So we have another 5 minutes.
Why it is called mandala?
It is a circle. It is circle के अंदर circle है. Mandala is a word, Sanskrit word for circle. So my dear friends, we have to log off now. It's already, I thought it's 50, but it's 55. I have to launch the vaccine class at 5:55. I want all of you to, I'm sure you enjoyed what you did. I want a beautiful Preeti. Very nice. Complete it. Okay. 1-2 दिन में आपका complete हो जाएगा. जब आप करने लगोगे, आपको छोड़ने का मन नहीं करेगा. Right? Give your feedback in the feedback link. And we will have to say bye now. But I'm sure before you go to sleep today, all of you are going to want to complete what you're doing. I can see it on your faces that you are enjoying it. So thank you very much.
Thank
And
you.
bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.